She was swinging by the bangles in a Main Street store. A while before we met, the most dangerous angles that you ever saw. She spied her amulet, and she took a loop of leather for around her neck. And that was then the start, the most dangerous lady on the quarter deck. She found her golden heart, yeah, found your golden heart. Then we swirled around each other and the thread was spun to some Arcadian band. I would stop it from a swinging like a pendulum, just hold time in my hand. And he shot with a cannonball of history, a long forgotten art. I'd be turning it over as our words ran free. I'd hold your golden heart, I'd hold your golden heart. And nothing in the world prepared me for your heart. Nothing in the world that I love more, your golden heart, your golden heart, your golden heart, your golden heart, golden heart, golden heart. And every time I'm thinking of you from a distant shore, all the time I sleep, I will have a reminder that my baby wore a part of you to keep. And I'll send you all my promises across the sea. And while we are apart, I will carry the wonder that you gave to me. I'll wear your golden heart, I'll wear your golden heart. Oh, nothing in the world prepared me for your heart. Nothing in the world that I love more, your golden heart. Oh, your golden heart, golden heart, your golden heart, golden heart, golden heart, golden heart, your golden heart, golden heart. Nobody's got the gun, nobody's trying to get the drop on anyone. Nobody's standing out on Main Street with the sun blazing down, saying there's only room for one of us in this here town. Nobody's got to be the number one, nobody's got to be the number one. Nobody's got to be the number one. Nobody's got the gun. Nobody's got the gun. She may not understand. She may want you eating from her hand. If she's got you in a corner, you can smell the smoking flame. You reach for your revolver to do the same. Blow your love away forever, number one. Blow your love away forever, number one. Blow your love away forever, number one. Nobody's got the gun. Nobody's got the gun. Without this stuff, making everything worse. She's just the same as you. She needs your love just like you wanted to. You can't go playing poker with a pistol in your sleeve. You can't make somebody love you by threatening to leave. If you wanna love forever, number one. If you wanna love forever, number one. If you